Can't open or edit your TikTok drafts on your iPhone? This can happen due to app glitches, low storage, or an outdated app. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok draft issues on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. After doing these basic things, if you still have the same issues, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom, then tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back to Home and force close the TikTok app from the recent tab. Solution 2. Offload TikTok app. First, open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok, then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now try to re-upload the video. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's it. Now you should be able to access or edit your TikTok draft videos on your iPhone. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.